I need a minute to think, or maybe two.
Hello friends, welcome back and welcome if you're new. Today I'm very excited to be sharing my winter decorate with me, and I will be cleaning and decorating my living room. I want to show you how I decorate after Christmas. I am going with more of an everyday decor with hints of winter in it. I want my room to feel comfy, cozy, and inviting.
No matter come what may, I'm gonna set things straight. Tomorrow, I let my worries fade, let them sweep away. There'll be another day. Tomorrow, I keep repeating the same mistakes. I did them all before, in every shape. There's a million ways to mess things up, and I need some time to figure out what to say and make our troubles disappear.
I would also like to mention that this video is part of a hub that is hosted by Nicole from Nicole North Garden Home and Garden, and I will have her channel linked down below. And also linked down below will be the next channel for you to hop on over for more cleaning and decorating inspirations.
Tomorrow, oh oh oh, 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 oh oh oh. Tomorrow I will set things straight. Tomorrow's gonna be okay. Let all my troubles go away. It's gonna be okay, no matter come what may. I'm gonna set things straight. Tomorrow, let all our worries fade, let them sweep away. There'll be another day. Tomorrow, it's gonna
If today is your first time stopping by my channel, I just want to say welcome, and I am so glad that you are here. Here on my channel, I am all about cleaning and decorating inspiration. And if you like what you see, make sure you press that subscribe button and a notification bell. I would love to have you join my YouTube family. I also happen to have two other channels, a DIY channel and a cooking channel, and they will be linked down below, so make sure you head on over and check them out as well. And if you're not following me over on Instagram, make sure you do, because I share a lot more home decor almost every day and a lot of behind the scenes stuff.
Didn't think I'd make it without you by my side. Let me feel your love again. Just the two of us, and we could stay up all night.
I went with less is more in my decor this year, and I love how fresh, airy it feels. Most of the pieces here on my mantle have been thrifted over the past years. I also did want to add some texture and color, so I am adding some greenery as well. I use books to add the height and balance everything out.
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one.
Now over on my coffee table I am keeping the truck because I love it so much. I do have a play around with what I end up putting in the trailer, so you are going to have to stick around till the end to see what's in it. And to add contrast to the truck, I have added my painted watering can, and I am adding some cotton, and this cotton stems had come from Dollar Tree.
The things I love, be one of the things I love, the things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 the things I love, the things I love. 'Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love, the things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 the things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love, the things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 the things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love.
I get so caught up in the middle, thinking of drowning in those blue eyes. I'm losing sight 'cause I am falling. I'm so deep down, and it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide what this is. Yeah, I keep.
I really did want to buy a few new pieces for this room for this year, but we're back at lockdown and stores are only doing curbside pickup. So I will have to wait till spring to actually go inside the store and shop for those pieces.
I'll be your light if it gets too dark. Yeah, I can carry all that you've got. Two heavy hearts is not a lot. I will put out all of the fire. We stumble and fall, and it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide what this is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes, and you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light.
Thank you guys so much again for watching till the end and supporting me. It means the world to me. Make sure you are subscribed if you're new and press that like button if you have enjoyed this video. And don't forget to check out Nicole's channel and hop on over to the next video. It's linked in the description box as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video.
Give me a reason to get out of bed. I need a minute to think, or maybe two. 'Cause yesterday I lost control and said some things I felt that you should know. I need a day to clear my mind and leave it all behind. It's gonna be okay, no matter come what may. I'm gonna set things straight tomorrow. I let my worries fade, let them sweep away. There'll be another day tomorrow. I keep repeating the same mistakes. I did them all before, in every shade.